Welcome guys, so today I am with OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite and I'm going to show you 5 camera tips. So at first we are going to start from this shutter. When you click and hold it on the photo mode, you are able to take a series of the photos. As you can see, we can take to 20 photos. When you go right here for this right edge, you will find volume buttons, right? So when you click on the volume up or volume down, you are able to take photo. When you click and hold, you will also use this series of the photo like holding the shutter. Another tip will be about the better quality of the photos. So normally when you take photo like that, let's make comparison. So to get more details, let's enable this 64 megapixel mode. So this photo was taken with this high resolution mode. As you can see, the photo looks, let me just hold it like that. As you can see, photo looks like that. Not bad actually. And then when we switch for the normal mode, it looks like that. So as you can see, in this mode, we can find a little bit more details, and also we are able to zoom in definitely closer. Okay, so another tip, let me just go back, will be about the brightness level on the photo. So as you can see, when you have the photo mode and when we click on the screen, we are able to change the brightness level with this slider. It's not like big change, but I think that you can definitely see this change. To make it automatically, just tap on the screen once. And right now when you open the settings, we can go right here, and as you can see in the sharing methods, we can find another option. It's called tap to capture, and this option allows us to take photo by tapping on the screen. So it's useful when you hold the phone like that and you are not able to reach this bottom shutter, so we can make it right here, straight in this camera application. Okay, and the last tip will be about this camera timer. So when you want to take photo on the tripod, you are able to put the phone on it and then enable this delay on your shutter, tap on this shutter, and you got 3 seconds to go around, or even 10 seconds if you don't have enough space to make it quickly. As you can see, after this time the photo will be taken. So yeah, that's all my 5 tips for the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.